Unlock your learning superpower, how AI is personalizing education based on your learning style. Remember those one-size-fits-all classrooms? Well, thanks to artificial intelligence, those days are fading fast. AI is revolutionizing education by recognizing that everyone learns differently. It's like having a personalized learning coach who understands your unique strengths and tailors the learning experience just for you. Understanding learning styles. Before diving into AI's role, let's quickly recap the common learning styles. Visual learners. These learners thrive on visual aids like diagrams, charts, videos, and images. They learn best by seeing. Auditory learners. These learners prefer listening to lectures, discussions, and audio recordings. They learn best by hearing. These learners learn best through hands-on activities, movement, and practical experiences. They learn best by doing. How AI adapts to different learning styles. AI can analyze student interactions, performance data, and even facial expressions, with appropriate privacy safeguards, to identify their preferred learning style. Then, it dynamically adjusts the learning content and delivery method. For visual learners, AI can generate interactive visualizations, animated explanations, and video summaries of complex concepts. Imagine learning about the solar system through an interactive 3D model you can manipulate. For auditory learners, AI can provide audio lectures, podcasts, and text-to-speech features. Imagine listening to a captivating explanation of historical events while commuting. For kinesthetic learners, AI can create simulations, virtual labs, and interactive exercises that allow students to learn by doing. Imagine exploring the human body through a virtual dissection. Examples of AI in action. Adaptive learning platforms. These platforms use AI to track student progress and adjust the difficulty level and content accordingly. If a student struggles with a particular concept, the platform provides additional resources and practice exercises in their preferred format. AI-powered tutoring systems. These systems can provide personalized feedback and guidance based on a student's learning style. They can offer hints in different formats, visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, depending on what works best for the individual. Personalized content recommendations. AI can recommend educational videos, articles, and other resources that are tailored to a student's learning style and interests. The benefits of personalized learning with AI. Increased engagement and motivation. When learning is tailored to their preferences, students are more engaged and motivated to learn. Improved learning outcomes. Personalized learning can lead to better understanding and retention of information. Reduced frustration and anxiety. Students are less likely to feel overwhelmed or discouraged when they are learning in a way that suits them. Greater efficiency. Students can learn at their own pace and focus on areas where they need the most support. Ethical considerations. It's important to address the ethical considerations associated with using AI in education, including data privacy. Ensuring the privacy and security of student data is crucial. Algorithmic bias. AI algorithms must be designed to avoid bias and ensure fairness for all students. The role of teachers. AI should be used to support and empower teachers, not replace them. The future of learning is personalized. AI has the potential to transform education by making learning more personalized, engaging, and effective. By understanding and adapting to individual learning styles, AI can help unlock every student's full potential. The future of learning is about empowering individuals to learn in the way that works best for them, and AI is playing a key role in making that vision a reality.